Alright, it's kind of a wet day today here on the proving grounds. This is the DEERC Z65. Looks like a jet or maybe a UAV in terms of the design of the vehicle, because it doesn't have a raised cockpit, but it does have a cockpit. So I'm assuming that means it's supposed to be a jet. Anyhow, let's see how this thing flies. It's 4-channel, has this nice little remote, has a sizable range. I think it's 500 feet. Let's give it a shot. Alright. It is a little windy today. I'm going to lower the rate a little, make it a little more controllable. I don't want to have to go in the wet grass. It does seem to handle it pretty nicely. Look at that.